All right, so basically what we're doing today is the truck is almost completely tore down. It's pretty much ready for the motor and trans to come out. So that's what we're gonna do today, which is why I'm cleaning this bay, because we're just gonna use this hoist again like we always do. And I'm basically gonna try to just get the truck as ready as possible for the new motor, because it should be coming in within the month. We're fine. Let's let it go slowly. And we're out. So hopefully by the end of the day, there should be nothing up here besides frame rails. The thing I'm not sure about what I'm gonna do just quite yet is this ABS computer, all these brake lines, the master, all that stuff, because brake fluid eats powder coat. So I don't want it just running all over the place, obviously, but I can't leave it in there. It's all gonna come out anyway, so. Let's see where this harness goes. I did it. Alright, just gotta make sure that harness running down the frame rail isn't tied into the transmission harness. And I gotta go above the transmission and make sure that harness isn't tied to the body anywhere. And then power steering lines, drive shafts, and I should be able to take this motor out. Oh no. Heck yeah, I didn't lose a single one. You stop right there. I actually don't know the truck. Huh? I actually don't know if it's pretty cool. I got 2 bags of the oil dry, got all that up. Hopefully that'll soak up overnight. But the motor's finally out. There's still a lot of stuff I gotta take off the truck. It wasn't on there. Yeah, that works too, I guess. There we go. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this motor quite yet. It is rebuildable, so I'll do something with it for sure. But like I said, there is still a lot that has to come off. All of this is coming out of the firewall, and I'm gonna patch all these holes. Somebody tell me what this is, because I guess it's just like some kind of vent for the cab, but I want it gone. This has to go, brake booster has to go, master, all of this. The only harness that's left on the truck is this harness right here that goes to the back for the fuel pump and tail lights. I have to strip all that apart and figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not. So for now, all that's gonna stay on the truck. But I'm coming back tomorrow to finish up some stuff because I'm tired. And on top of that, I know y'all been able to hear it this whole time, I'm getting over a cold too. So I'm still not feeling the best. And I just realized there's a lot of rollers down here. Staying on the blanket like it's supposed to. All right. Ah, dang it, I forgot that's connected in there. Oh, before I take off these motor mounts real quick, look what they look like. That's not good. They're not supposed to look like that. The new ones I'm putting in will be solid mount, so I won't have to worry about that anymore. I think we're done. I'm gonna kind of pull back all these wires, get them in like a safe spot where they're not in the way or anything. And then I'm gonna tape up all these lines, like I said, all these brake lines. And then I think I'm ready to clean it. This is getting cut out, this brace. I'm gonna clean up these motor mount plates. And by clean up the plates, I mean I'm gonna cut all this extra stuff off from there and there, where it's just this solid flat plate. And then I'm gonna run some DOM tubing across to each one to stiffen everything up, but I don't know how far down that tubing needs to be yet, so I'm not gonna worry about that just yet. Also, I don't know if these plates are spaced on the frame correctly for the motor that's going in here, but I think they are. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself just in case. Other than that, this thing is ready to clean. Brake booster's coming off, but that's gonna leave a giant hole in the firewall, like there's already a bunch of them, but try to minimize the holes as much as possible, so when I clean it, I don't have to worry about it too much. After I clean it though, I think I'm gonna take the brake booster off. Tired, hot, dirty, covered in brake fluid. So other than just, like I said, wrapping up these wires, I'm done for today. Next video is gonna be coming out pretty soon. I'm excited for that one because it's gonna feel like we're making a lot of progress, which we made a lot in this video too, but in the next one, it's gonna feel like we're finally moving forward and not moving backwards. So be looking out for that one. By the time this video is posted, Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok are already gonna see what happens in the next video. So if you wanna stay up to date, go follow those. They're always down in the description. I'm super excited for that one. But I'm gonna go clean up and probably eat something because I'm dying.